Welcome to Feng-GUI AOIs Compare feature, a powerful tool for analyzing and comparing areas of interest across multiple images in your project. With this feature, you can select specific images and instantly compare AOI values through a detailed table. For each image, the comparison table provides scores on key metrics: clear, the clarity of the content; complex, the cognitive demand of visual elements; focus, the concentration of viewer attention; exciting, the engagement potential; and visibility score for each defined AOI. To ensure accurate comparison, it's essential that all selected images have the same AOI names defined. To facilitate this, you can easily copy AOIs from one image and paste them onto others. Once pasted, simply adjust each AOI's position and size to ensure they align accurately with the intended elements in each design. This step is key for producing reliable and meaningful comparisons. This comparison report is particularly valuable when evaluating different variants of packaging, web layouts, or ad visual designs. By comparing these metrics across versions, you gain insights into which design elements capture attention most effectively. The report can be easily copied to the clipboard or downloaded as a CSV file, providing a convenient way to integrate insights into your workflow. With Feng-GUI's AOIs Compare, selecting the most effective design to enhance visual impact and viewer engagement has never been easier. Thank you for your attention. See you in the next session.